Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. DuckChain listing and $Ducks unstaking, major updates and insights you can't miss. DuckChain, the rising star of blockchain innovation with a splash of AI, has been making waves lately. From its high-profile exchange listings to the much-anticipated $Ducks unstaking launch, here's everything you need to know about this buzzing ecosystem and its journey so far. DuckChain's big debut on major exchanges. Marking a significant milestone, DuckChain landed on the trading floors of major exchanges like OKX, KuCoin, Bitget, Gate.io, MEXC, and Hashkey on January 17th. Its starting price? $0.01006. But, as with many new tokens, the market hasn't been smooth sailing. At the time of writing, DuckCoin, $Ducks, is trading at $0.005404, reflecting a 30.43% intraday dip and an overall decline of 45.68% since its debut. Despite the volatility, DuckChain is holding its ground with a market cap of $31.84 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $47.5 million. For traders and analysts, this price action is a typical part of the game for emerging blockchain projects. Many see the recent dips as opportunities for long-term gains, given DuckChain's ambitious plans and innovative utility. Mark your calendars, Ducks unstaking starts January 23rd. The community is abuzz as unstaking for Ducks begins on January 23rd, offering users a phased approach to withdrawing their assets. Here's the breakdown. Phase 1, unstaking for assets on the TON chain, including $TON, $CADI, $TSTON, $NOT, $DOGS, HMSDR, UTON, $Major, and $X. Phase 2, unstaking for assets on Merlin chain, Arbitrum, and Ethereum. As withdrawals roll out, users are advised to keep an eye on official announcements to stay updated and take full advantage of these new features. What makes DuckChain stand out? DuckChain isn't just another blockchain project. It's a multi-chain powerhouse infused with cutting-edge AI. Here's why it's turning heads. AI-powered features. DuckChain integrates artificial intelligence to enhance governance voting, provide DeFi insights, and simplify blockchain onboarding. Multi-chain connectivity, seamlessly bridging ecosystems like TON, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and EVM-compatible chains. Diverse utilities, from staking rewards that bolster network security to gas payments across multiple blockchains, DuckChain is all about versatility. Future-focused roadmap. The upcoming AI-driven marketplace, Q2-Q3 2025, developer grants for blockchain AI innovation, and educational tools designed to simplify Web3 are just the tip of the iceberg. With these features, DuckChain is positioning itself as a trailblazer in the blockchain space, attracting both investors and developers eager to harness its potential. Final thoughts. While the Ducks price may have faced early turbulence, the fundamentals remain solid. DuckChain's innovative approach to merging blockchain and AI, coupled with its ambitious roadmap, paints a bright future. As the community gears up for unstaking and more developments on the horizon, this is one blockchain project worth keeping on your radar.